Hello everyone. Hope you had a very good Wednesday, and there was a lot of interesting things that happened. And let's start with Nifty. And Nifty had a negative start, and it just dropped, and then immediately the next candle onwards it kept on going up, and there was a lot of consolidation throughout the day, and it was a range bound action for the rest of the day, moving within a band of about 50 points up and down, and we had a close around 17,888. Let's check what happened with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, however, had uh, high-end upper trend based range bound uh, trend was observed today. It started off with a strong negative, and then there was one spike of about 500 points, and people are like so surprised and shocked to see that move. It was no surprise to some extent, because uh, it entered into a demand zone after a very long time. It touched it, and the moment it touched it and pierced here with this, the next candle was about 500 points up, and the reason was pretty much simple. Whoever has taken P position would have initiated some sort of stop loss, and with that power in the from the demand zone, all the stop loss got triggered, and then we had a 500 point rally from this point, right? And then immediately it came down, and then there was a gradual going up, and then it consolidated and closed in that mini support zone that we have been discussing for quite some time now. So this was the scene between Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty gave a complete, bullish sentiment, and it was a range bound, uptrend based range bound, sentiments were there. And here, with Nifty also, it was there, but it's not so bullish, but it was a neutral, you know, uh, play for most part of the day. And we got multiple entries, multiple opportunities, and a lot of people made some decent money today. So what we can expect for tomorrow, that's very important to understand. Both Bank Nifty and Nifty is expected to be um absolutely in a range bound territory tomorrow, because it's obviously it's expiry day. You can expect a lot of range bound action in the first half. And let's look at the FASP levels. The FASP level on the higher side is for Nifty 18,233. On the lower side, it is 17,530. And what you can do as a writer is, since it's going to be a range bound day, you can comfortably write T4 positions, or even T5 positions if you want to be a little safe. T5 positions, and on the downside you can write T4 position. Downside you can write T4, and upside you can write T5 as a writer, right? And as a buyer, wait for the opportunities. Of course, it's going to be range bound action. There will be a lot of premium eating happening in the first half of the day. So whenever it reaches, say about T3, you can expect some sort of reversal, and it will be a range play between T3 and T3, right? So you, whenever the market reaches T3, you can initiate a PE position, keep T4 as stop loss. When it reaches T3, you can on the lower side you can initiate a C position and keep T4 as stop loss. So likewise, you will find multiple opportunities, because if writers have to erode the premium, they will have to make the market move on both the sides. So whenever it reaches T3 on either side, you can be easily minting money. So, but play with strict stop loss, and most importantly, play in next week's expiry or month end expiry. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as I said about the trend today, it was having a strong bullish sentiment. The market has retrieved from itself from this long-term support zone. Now it has entered into the mini support zone that you find in this 40 to 200 levels. And like I was saying in the stream, it is playing in this range exactly like what it happened 1 week back. 1 week back, it was trading exactly here, and now if you see, it's still trading here, meaning that riders have managed to keep the index in their control, and they have been taking a lot of premiums on both the sides, and absolute writing has been done. So what you can expect tomorrow? Same, you can expect strong range bound actions. The T7 levels on both the sides are 42,670 on the higher side, 41,708 on the lower side. If you want to get into the writing, then the best thing to do is that enter at T6 and T6 on both the sides, because Bank Nifty is showing extreme volatility. So writing a short range position will be a risky one. You can write T6 and T6, but then you will be saying there is no premium left. So you don't have to write for the current week. You can initiate writings of next week. So you'll be easily capturing some good points if you write T6 and T6. And T3, what you can do is on the higher side, you can whenever the market is touching at T3 or T4, you can T3 or T4, you can initiate a PE position and then keep one level up as stop loss and keep trailing as the market comes down the level, right? Similarly, if the market opens at T3, you can initiate a CE position, keep one level down as stop loss, and then keep trailing it. And this is to be done only in next week expiry or monthly expiry. Do not play in the same week expiry, as the premium erosion will wipe off a lot of your premiums will be eroded, and even you will go you will wipe off your capital. So don't enter into current week expiry. Play in the next week or month end expiry. If you're a writer, write down on the next week expiry on both the sides. T6 T6 and T6 is good for Bank Nifty. So that's the update for tomorrow. Hope you have a very fruitful Thursday. So happy Thursday. Let's catch up tomorrow with live stream. And yeah, take care, guys. Bye.